Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is Friday, February 16, and I finally finished Nissan Sentra front suspension replacement. So last time I made a video, I just did the passenger side, and yesterday and this morning I finished the driver side. I was really surprised the difference. It's better on the other side. Look at the height from the rubber, the clearance, as compared to the back. This is my next project. I need to replace this, the suspension at the back. It's really low as compared to the front right now. Anyway, so my son was using the Sentra, was asking me why did I mess with his car, because I felt that there's something wrong with the suspension. He said, I didn't feel it. Well, this is your driver side, passenger side suspension, and this is your driver side suspension. It actually doesn't go up anymore, so I have to cut it. The thing is corroded here, so the hex tool is not working. So see the difference. It was right here and it doesn't move anymore. It's stuck at the bottom. Okay, now I'm gonna go to Advance Auto Parts Store and return the tool that I use to compress the coil spring. So I bought the just the cheap suspension and reuse the coil using these compressors, strut spring compressors. So I think I paid around 74 and change for this, and they will give me a 100% refund while after returning this. So let's go, let's drive to the auto parts store and also test the new front suspensions. Okay, testing.
Voltage. Waiting for connection.
The back is really lower than the front, so I need to change the suspension ASAP. What's that? No. Okay. What's that sound? What's that sound? Let me check under the hood. Hi guys, so we're here at Advance Auto and I gotta turn this. Come on. Here we go. So this is the amount. 75, 76. Alright guys, I got my refund. Alright guys, I got my refund, but before we go home, food. This is my go-to when I don't have time to cook. There we go, nice. Hi guys, I am home. So when I brought back the tool to Advanced Auto Parts, it is also the test drive for the Sentra. Is that the car is clunking, especially if there are bumps or imperfections on the road. And then I found out that I did not tighten this bolt that much, so contact between the suspension and the car has a gap, so the car is jumping, so it's making a sound, so easy to tighten. as compared to the old one, which is already corroded. Now it doesn't produce anymore. So overall, for the suspension replacement, I spent around $115. I saved money by reusing the coil struts and renting, it's not renting, and borrowing the coil compressor from the auto parts store. So sedan, easier to fix than big SUVs. So now I need to pack up. I'm going camping. So see you next time. Bye.